Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your GPU model and current driver version so you update the right package. Open Device Manager or a tool like GPU-Z, then create a system restore point to revert if needed. Once done, close background apps and temporarily disconnect extra monitors to avoid detection issues. Now head to your GPU vendor site or GeForce Experience to locate the newest WHQL driver. You'll download the matching 64-bit installer and prepare to run it as administrator. You run the downloaded installer as administrator and choose Custom or Advanced to enable a clean install. This removes old driver artifacts that can cause crashes. Make sure to uncheck bundled software you don't need, while keeping core driver, FizeX, or Vulkan runtimes if required. During installation, watch for error messages. Once the installer finishes, reboot immediately. After restarting, verify the new driver version in Device Manager and launch a game or benchmark to confirm the GPU functions and settings applied correctly. You finalize by tuning GPU control panel settings, reset profiles, set power management to preferred mode, and update resolution or refresh rate. If you encounter crashes or artifacts, roll back the driver immediately in Device Manager to restore stability. If problems persist, boot to safe mode and run display driver uninstaller to remove remnants, then reinstall the latest stable driver. Finally, make sure Windows Update isn't auto-reinstalling old drivers. Disable automatic driver updates if necessary to keep your
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.